I hope it just doesn't start like that, honestly. 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 We're alive. Once is live. Hi. Hey. Just wanna quickly set this stuff up. Let's see. I don't have I'm gonna find my glasses in a few. Because I need to protect my pretty little eyes. Ooh, okay, wait, let me see something. I need to protect my pretty little eyes from all of this. Okay. I think it's gonna be a little bit laggy. I hope not. I hope it's not gonna be laggy. This is based off of the first one that was successful. We had a successful NFP, right? And then I'm gonna do an experiment to see if the stream is going fine. Then I'll be right back with you guys. I can't see shit. So the reason why I'm straight from the gym, came back and I was like, what is going on? And then I was like, it's NFP, and I was like, this thing's gonna buy because NFP signal was top. Thank you. So the reason why. Sorry about that. Okay, so do I have high hopes for today's? Today I want Nasdaq because one thing about me is that after I trade a certain pair, I'm not gonna feel. I can't see. Hold on. Let me put my geek on. All right. So what happens with me is that after I trade something, right, I'm gonna feel like, and y'all can see me, yeah, y'all can see me. I'm gonna feel like I can't trade the same thing. Like if I made profits from Us30, I have to go and trade something else, cause I'll have that same bias that I previously had. But something that we didn't trade today was Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq, we are still yet to get a Nasdaq entry. So since we're gonna be waiting for a Nasdaq entry, yeah, because I'm holding Us30, so why would I try to look for a Nasdaq entry? Why would I try to look for another entry on Us30 when I already counted? Yeah, okay. So we're trading Nasdaq today. That's why I said Us30 and Nasdaq. Okay, so the bias. Let's get the bias. The bias is bullish, obviously, right? For Nasdaq to go back to 20,300, that could either happen on Monday or there is a consolidation that's gonna come up. Okay, which means, guys, that we are probably gonna have a range. We're probably gonna have a range. If we don't have a range, we have to have a breakout to the upside. Okay, we also noticed that we have our potential BOS once price closes Once price closes above there, y'all, this is the most simple stuff on earth, man. Once price closes above there, for me, for Nasdaq to change character on a higher time frame, it has to break the low, right? But that would mean that we have to go to lower time frames. And let me chill on this one. I'm not gonna sell this thing. 50 minutes, I don't see a sell. Okay, for me to sell something, I have to see the sell. Okay, and for this thing to sell, it needs to create a change of character, preferably there at 970. Okay, and I know that this is probably a break. It is a potential boss, right? So expectancy is this. Maybe it'll try to fill the fair value that NFP left behind, and then for the rest of the session we still go up, right? So this is for fun. It's not financial advice. Completely for fun. Yeah, completely for fun. How is everybody? Any questions? Let me see any questions. Oh, I started the live early. I did start the live early, but that's okay. Let me reload this thing. Anyway, I have to share the live. Sagey. Let me share the live. You can be watching a movie in the background because it gets tiring. It gets tiring to wait, like watching the market. We have to go on a lower time frame soon. We're not going on a lower time frame right now. But yeah. So we are live. Yeah. The account that I'll be trading today, I'm holding on Trive. I'm running about, I don't think you guys will be able to see. Yeah, but I'm running. Like I'm running profit. Like 50. Let me say 50 rand. So that I don't get chased. But we are definitely withdrawing today. Okay. Let's go to the 10 minutes. Okay, so on the 10-minute time frame, we also noticed that our change of character has to be here. We also have a pin. Is it a pin bar? What do you call that candlestick pattern? But I don't trust these cells. Okay, because once I get a candle closure at 2030, it's chai. Nasdaq is not selling, bruh. Nasdaq, there is no sell. Like, there won't be a sell. It's just gonna be straight bulls from here. And people are having this high expectations that it's a sell. This thing never sells, bruh. When have you ever, think about this for a second. When have you ever sold Nasdaq? Unless there was fundamentals. When have you ever sold Nasdaq and it's sold for like 3 weeks? Never. But buys, it'll buy for 3 weeks. So yeah, no, don't even think about it. What are we waiting for again? We're waiting for the ding ding ding, and then yeah, and then I can start drawing my other setups. Let's get a range in the meantime as we wait. This chart is gonna be messy now, okay? It's gonna be messy. Someone is silly. Hi. I don't like entries that have drawdown, honestly. I'd rather find out that I was wrong about my entry, than find out that I'm also sleepy and hungry. Why didn't I eat? Anyway, how many more minutes? 6 minutes left. But NFP, Guys, with NFP, this is not financial advice. NFP, just buy, bruh. Whether you're buying gold, even if it's like fake, just buy. This is not financial advice. We don't give financial advice here. We just wait, basically. Okay, so yeah, man. Excuse, excuse. Eh, let me chill. Let me chill. Hey, let me chill. Let me chill. This thing has to sell now, but I'm not selling it. For me to sell it, I want that break. 987. Yeah. 5 more minutes left to the open. I'm expecting sell sweep. We're at a premium. Excuse. Sell sweep. We're at a premium. We also have like a 2-minute supply. This is dangerous. Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. That's a 2-minute supply. We have premium. Now we just need a change of character to confirm. If we don't get a change of character, then I'm chilling, bruh. So, which means that my 2 zones are gonna be either here, 45, or my other zone is gonna be 98. I'm sure Us30 is doing some crazy sell. Middle finger. But I'm holding those trades. I'm not giving up on those trades. I'm smelling money today. I'm smelling some five rand. Yeah. If it closes below this 80, I'll expect it to go at least here. Let's do price points. At least there, right? Then I'll take my targets. Take my targets here, here, and the final one. This is a FVG, by the way. Let me make it cleaner. I don't like the song that's playing. EQ. Yeah, that's better. Some crazy ass analysis. But yeah, if it breaks this, I'll expect it to go to 60 there. And then if it goes to 45, I'm going to be expecting it. People think I think too much. I don't think. 45, 145. No, so yeah. So there is also a chance that once it breaks here, when, I don't know which English term to use. If and when it decides to break that low, what's gonna happen? Yeah, you're gonna sell, but you're gonna decide what you're doing. But this is not financial advice. This is just me playing around, obviously. And when I play around, I make money when I play around. So I'm already up. But I don't trust. How many more minutes? How many more minutes till this thing closes? 8 seconds. How many? 2 more minutes. Yeah, I needed to close below there, bruh. For me to be like, hey guys, I gave the signal. No, I didn't give the signal. Oh, the FSCA thing is actually real. You are not allowed to give financial advice, especially if you are not licensed. If you are not licensed and you are giving people financial advice, trust me, you're going to get in trouble for that stuff because you don't have a license. So why in the heck are you giving advice? You get what I mean? So therefore, I'm a retail trader, right? And I trade alone. So I'm not really giving anybody advice. I'm not selling anything that's crazy. I just live trade. I'm selling What am I selling? It's not a service because I'm not giving financial services. Okay, but they did say that if you participate in the financial market, let me participate in the financial market. Let me participate. But the weirdest part would be me getting fined for something that I did before I get a license. Then I get a license, and then they're gonna say that I gave financial advice. But I'm not giving financial advice. These are just drawings. Okay? These are just drawings. It's just ideas. It's for entertainment. Because I feel like if they're going to be strict with financial laws and financial market laws, they should also do the same if people are gambling, per se. Like, how come people can say that they're selling, they're gambling, whatever? Anyway, I'm just yapping so that time goes faster. What time is it? It's the open. Ding, ding, ding. It's not closing below. It's going to be a weak one. It's going to be a weak one. Let's go. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. It's ranging as expected, obviously. This was something that I expected. The reason why I expected this is because NFP already kind of created a major, I would say a major what? I just want a candle closure below there, bruh. I'm up. But the market must also relax. It must take me with it. I'm up and down, or the market is down and up. Now I just have to wait. Recommend songs, guys. Recommend songs. Oh, and people are watching. Oh, that's cute. Hey, guys. Nas will sell. Not sure if the mic, I can't hear clearly. You can't hear me, guys. It must take me with it. I can hear myself. I'm up and down. I can hear myself, bro. We didn't close below, bro. So that means that we might have buys coming. That's a GG on that one. Hey, that's a GG on that one. That's why this is not financial advice. I want this thing to close here and then sell, or close above here and then buy. Because if not, it's going to be that thing of like, ooh, chocolate and caramel, ooh. Oh, this is good music. Okay, this thing is going up. Is it? But it's not going up like which means one thing. What does it mean? It means that there is no break of structure, which means there is no change of character, which means that our bias is gonna be a buy soon. But I'm not buying it. I need confirmations. My confirmation is a closure below 980 and or a closure above 20,045. Okay, that's it. Because most likely, even if it takes 5 hours, even if it takes longer, it needs to still break here for it to buy. You get my point. The bias is bullish, but we will only sell once it breaks this low. You get my point. And now I'm just let me set alert so that people don't get confused. And let me remove this one. This one must start here. Or it starts from here. That's where we buy from. That's how I trade. I don't do any, what's the thing called? Any, what's the word for that stuff? I don't do unconfirmed entries because I don't like holding drawdowns. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, let's wait it out. This is a cute little analysis. Ooh. Now we just gotta wait for this thing. But probability is that this thing has to push down and then up. If not, it's gonna push up. It's gonna push. Wait, before I get obsessed with Nasdaq. Ah shit, Us30 is buying. Us30, I'm holding my buys, bruh. I'm holding my buys. Cause I bought from here. I'm still holding those buys. I'm not jigging. By jigging, I mean I am not what's that thing called? I'm not gonna hesitate with those ones. You get my point? I'm not gonna be feeling like, is it a buy? Is it a sell? No shaking allowed. Like, why are you in the financial markets if you're gonna be hesitating? Because you already know your risk parameters. You get my point? You already know that, okay, my risk parameters are here and here and here. We might have a possible movements might possibly happen around 4 o'clock. This happens every time there's news. The market starts moving crazily only and only after what? Ooh, okay. Yeah, only and only after some time, I guess. Oh, this thing is dropping. Ay, 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 arriba. Come on now. There we are. We don't shake. Okay, I was shaking there a little bit. I won't lie. But I won't do like, I gave it a signal. Nah, fuck that shit. The reason is because the bias is bullish and I'm getting sell entries, which is kind of bad for business because that means that, what does that mean? I just know that I'm blue, bruh. I just know that I'm blue. We can hear you. Yeah, I can also hear myself, guys. I can also hear myself. We had a candle closure, so is that a sell position? 987. This 50%. Yeah. Okay, I'm relieved now. We're running about 36. Okay. Yeah. Guys, this is like a scary type of entry or a trade or whatever. But we are live. Where the heck is this thing? Let's go down, baby. Let's go down. Day live trading. Something, yeah, you know the vibes. We are streaming live on the OBS level. Where's the OBS level? On the OBS level, we are streaming and it's going good. Okay. Okay, that was for content. Cause now I'm a forex content creator. I'm joking. Hey, I'm a forex trader first, bro. Before I'm a content creator, I trade forex first. I only entered like 4 positions. Okay, SL at break even now because we are 50% till TP. Yeah, but I don't really. Yeah, we already took the first one. Let me take partials. Okay, let's take some partials. All right. Then SL at break even, bruh. Ain't no way there's gonna be a supply zone and this shit doesn't drop. But I don't wanna get too excited for this day. How many is this? It's a 1:2. I don't like it anymore because it's a 1:2. What time is it? 38. I don't wanna stretch it. This is the hardest thing a trader can have to decide about, honestly. Usually I get like a 1.5. 1.5 is here. and then hold it out to the long. But bias is bullish, so yeah. Guys, what if I got you like a 1 minute move? Oh, break even. Break even. Oh no. Break even. My break even is 550. At least I closed okay. That's a 1 minute move. What if like I'm good at scalping moves? What time is that thing? Okay, liquidity sweep. Okay, let's think about this for a second. Liquidity sweep. Once there's a liquidity sweep, it's chai. Yeah, it's chai. It's chai on this one. Yeah, it's chai on that one. It's not gonna sell anymore. There's a liquidity sweep. But I'm not gonna act like a confused little baby. I hate selling. Like about Us30, about Nyse, I hate selling them. I love buying them so bad. But it's also the thing that like people struggle to get an entry. How many pips was that shit? I got 20 pips. I got 20 pips. Nah, bro. Nah. Hold on. Come back. Nah. I got 20 pips out of that whole thing, bro. I was floating like an extra 9 bands. That's it. And then I got 560 as a break even. Fuck that shit. Okay, but let me not use my emotions. Sorry for the language. Let me be demure. I don't want to use the trade right now. We're gonna have to wait till 4 o'clock. But what will I be talking about till 4 o'clock? Because it's gonna range. Or I can just give you guys a setup and leave. Because that move was 20 pips, bro. No way. No way. Okay, nah, I'm kidding. How much did I close? Let me be honest with y'all. Okay, I closed. Yeah, I fucking closed 20 pips. My 20 pips is 1.9, 1.9, 500, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, bro. 20 pips gave me 4,000. Nah, I'm not gonna flex about that. Middle finger! Okay, but let me not do emotion USD. SL hasn't hit, né? But we have a problem. 15 minutes didn't close below. How many more minutes? 3 minutes left. Okay, so here's my idea, not financial advice. Okay, here's my idea. Listen carefully now, because I'm not gonna wait this thing out. 20,045. Put alerts. Okay, put alerts here. Add an alert. Okay, you guys, if you really plan to take more sales, I want this thing to close below. It needs to close below this 98.60. Okay, it needs to close. You know when it's closing below, it needs to be a close. Because me, I entered on a 2-minute candle closure. I don't really care about the time frame. But once it closes below at 45, we are taking the drop. Understood? Understood. Okay. Everybody understood that? I spoke English, right? Yeah. But do it not on real accounts, because this is not financial advice. We are just playing games. Yeah, but everybody understood how I trade. Okay. And also there's fundamentals. There was fundamentals. So, wait, let's get a low. Come on. Let's get a low. Because now it's triggering all my alerts. Let's get 960. Yeah. 960 is my safe. And so I'm gonna be like, you're not out until stop loss hit. Yeah, my stop loss did hit 560 rand. That's how much I got. So yeah, I'm not really in the trade now. I'm just looking for re-entries, but the re-entry needs to confirm, because if the re-entry doesn't confirm, it's a buy. Let's check gold in the meantime. It's this pair, ne? I shouldn't even look at this pair. Oh, what did it do during NFP? People are screaming buy NFP, buy gold NFP. It even did some out here. Buys are easy to find. Yeah, they are very easy to find. The easiest stuff to find. This thing is a buy, bro. Why are we selling? How are we selling? It's a buy. Check the 1 hour, bro. Okay, for me to buy, let it go to 45 because I have orders there now. Let me zoom in so that you guys see it closer. Ba, 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 ba. Da, 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 da. How, guys? How am I gonna feel when I'm showing you guys that I closed 560, bro? How sad. How sad. How sad, bro. Like, really? Because some people like to be like, how, Sage? How, Sage, what? You gave what? I didn't give any signal. I'm not a financial advisor. I want the sales, bro. I really want the sales now. But I'm not gonna force them because higher time frame is a buy. How many more minutes? It's a GG. Okay, when I say it's a GG, it means there's no close below, so we're not gonna take any trade. Wait for the alert. As for the 560, we will see it later. I hate waiting. I really hate waiting. Ek haat. I hate waiting. Ooh. Better than me. And another thing about trading, you will have trust issues when you don't have trust issues. Even in your personal life, you'll have trust issues when you don't have trust issues. That's what. I'm not feeling it, bro. Ek nie voelens dit nie. I'm gonna sell your stage. Okay. But it's at a premium, so it makes sense. 148. My guess. It's gonna go here at least. If it tested a sell, but I don't trust any direction right now. And I just doubled my account. I don't even think y'all can see what I'm seeing, but yeah. This account doubled. The other one is floating. Settings. Those other ones did break even, bruh. Like, why the heck? 86. You see, if I was married, guys, I need to get married fast. If I was married, I would hold my trades fast. Mm. This thing is floating. But I'm not gonna get excited because I already went through like low-key doubts, but I know H1 is a vibe. So my mental, my doubt radar is like up there, bro. Put another break even there. Settings. And I'm still in 20 pips. But no complaints, bruh. Fuck. I'm not complaining. It wasn't a bad week, actually. Oh, and guys, thank you for the well wishes. My flu is kind of going. It's kind of going. Yeah, my break even just hit again. Let me just show y'all, cause y'all don't believe me when I say my break even just keeps hitting. It's because I'm live trading with strangers. But I love y'all. Let me see. Yeah. But I think like people have this thing of like, oh, okay. Yeah, people have this thing of like, once you trade, you're gonna make money. This is a whole business on its own as well. Like it's a whole. let me send. I keep getting break evens, guys. I think I'm done now. Now I'm done. How many minutes till 4 o'clock? 9 minutes. Let me not rush to post. What if the 4 o'clock candle spikes up or spikes down? See? I refuse to give up.
If you're in your 20s and you currently vape, you need to accept the fact that...
Takes up the fact that way, nigga. Takes up the fact that way. Because people be doubting shit. And I'm like, I be doubting my own shit. Because I get nervous. Okay, I'm going to take partials. Because I was about to close my shit. Honestly. But I'm not going to... I don't know. I'm doubtful, bro. And people are going to be like, how say... But when I look back on these lives, I'm like, my direction was right. Why was I shaking, right? And then at the same time, it was like, when you see this market movements before it drops, you will get anxiety. You will get fearful. You will get like, what the fuck? But then you also remember you've been doing this long enough. I hit break even twice, by the way. Twice. Now I'm not coming out. Let me come out with at least 2K if I break even. Oh, fuck. There we are. 964. Okay, now we are in 50 pips profit. Yo! Took 50 pips profit. Okay, guys. Oh, Us30 did take this out. The day I decide to trade Nasdaq, Us30 moves. The day I decide to trade Us30, Nasdaq moves. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Okay, let me mind my business. Let me mind my business, honestly. Let me just mind my business. I'm gonna call it quits for now. How long have I been live? About 45 minutes, right? So I don't want to be live for too long. Obviously, I get shy. So we end. At least you know that we don't believe you. Yeah, y'all don't believe me. That's fine. I don't mind. But it's also that thing like you know, like it's frustrating. So this whole time, how many minutes did we wait? Yeah, no, I'm ending it. At least I got 50 posts. You're gonna see my break evens. Now you're gonna see my results. Now I can post. Guess what I'm gonna post? I'm gonna say, hey guys, so it was a break even day and I'm gonna just be like, you know what? Yeah. Anyway, bye guys. Yeah, but don't forget that if it goes back to 45, close every day if you're in.